What is happening. So today what I want to show you is a new app that I just found out that is available on Splunkbase. So the app name is Analysis of Splunkbase Apps. Right. So let me give you a brief use case for this app. So if you ever been on a discovery engagement with a customer, you would actually know you would have actually faced a situation where you are asking the customers what all data sources they have, and you are not fully aware if you have apps for that on Splunkbase or not, right? So I've been on discovery engagements where the customers have like hundreds of data sources, and then maybe we don't have wireless access, or we don't have access to Splunkbase at that time. So when the customer gives you a list of data sources, we don't really know whether it is supported on Splunk or not, right? So recently I found out that we have an app called Analysis of Splunkbase. Apps for Splunk. So this is built by Splunkworks. So these are the contributors for the app. So basically what it does is if you install this app, it's pretty straightforward. You just have to create a index. So the installation step is actually given here. You just have to create an index called apps, right? So what this app is all about is it will show you all the available apps on Splunkbase. Right, so all the apps that are available on Splunk is listed here, right? So you can find out what apps. So let's say a customer is having CloudWatch, right? So you can actually find out. Okay, so there is an app for CloudWatch on Splunkbase, right? These are the supported versions. So these are the products that is supported. So this is ES supported. It's a cloud and enterprise app. So let's say your customer is Splunk Cloud. So if the customer actually tells you that you want CloudWatch, so out of the box you know for a fact that this app can be installed on Splunk Cloud, right? So what you could do is you can either have this on your own laptop, right? If you have a local Splunk installation running on your laptop, you can just install this app and you can take it with you to the customer site, right? Or you can just export the whole search, right? You can export it to a CSV, right? You can select all your necessary fields, like you can select the app name, right? The version, the products that is supported, right, and the versions if you like, right? And then you can keep a copy of the CSV with you, right? So if you are going to sites where there is no internal connection and you're talking with the customer, then you have a full list of Splunkbase apps with you, right? You don't have to keep referring to the Splunkbase site. And this site is sometimes slow, or maybe there's a scheduled maintenance going on and then the site doesn't work, and then you don't have all the answers for the customer, right? So if you have this app installed, you can actually run your own searches. You can use this export for yourself, right? You can export it to CSV and keep it on your laptop, right? So one other use case that I personally use this for is I do a bit of automation, right? So with all the apps that I have, right? I have all the apps and the UIDs, right? So with the app name and UID, I can actually do the app installs automatically, right? So that is the original reason why I was looking for such an app, and I just happened to find that this app already exists on Splunkbase, So yeah, you can give it a try, and then I'm pretty sure it will be quite useful. You can introduce yourselves to your sales engineers and people who go for discovery to your customer site, and yeah, you can find, you can make sure, I'm pretty sure you'll find this app quite useful. And also, if you are using automation, right, you can come up with fancy ideas where you can like link all these things together, right, and then you can do a bit of automation for your app installs, right. Yeah, so that is all for today. I'll be back next week with another video. Thanks, guys.